Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AI Agent review. Guys, AI Agent is the world's first to market AI driven app that lets you hire professional graphics designer, nutritionist, teacher, legal advisor, financial advisor, software developer, journalist, real estate representative, digital marketing specialist, relationship coach, affiliate marketing expert, event planner, fitness trainer, travel advisor, social media advisor, fashion designer, chief customer service executive, astrologer, and much more, and fulfill all your lifelong needs at an unbeatable low on time price with zero hidden charges. Guys, creator of this software AI agent Uddhav Pramanik, and this software goes live on 7th of August 11 a.m. EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software AI agent. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software. You will be fully understand afterwards the demo, guys, so please stay tuned and don't skip this video. Okay, this is the first to market artificial intelligence based technology that's loaded with complete army of skilled AI professionals to get 100x business growth. What you will get inside the members area, guys, I'm going to show you. Okay, just take a look. Meet your professional AI agents who reduce your workload 10x and get 100x higher business profits. You can see this type of character inside the members area of this software AI agents. And this character, Brendan Murray, this is a graphics designer. He actually help you to create graphics. Okay guys, for you, a specialization, create eye-catchy business graphics that convert random website visitors into lifetime happy customers. And this person, Dr. Stephen E. Bowden, a nutritionist, a specialization, provide personalized advice about nutrition issue and healthy eating habits to customers across the globe. And this is the teaser. Here is, you can see the legal advisor Mark Johnson. Here is software developer Matthew Harris, financial advisor. This is actually, guys, live sending software. I'm going to show you full demo, so stay tuned. Dana Rose, copywriter, Andrew Roberts, real estate representative, and here is, you can see all the character. Okay guys, and just three simple steps to work this software. You can see just three click a step. Okay, step number one, login. At first you log in this software. This is the members area. Look like this type of members area you can see. And to get started, just log into the first Universe AI app and see magic yourself. And step number two, choose any kind of agent, any kind of helper. Okay, here is, you can see lots of helper for you, like health advisor, a nutritionist, and legal advisor, affiliate marketing expert. Lots of character you can see here, guys. Okay, just pick one and put your prompt. They will generate content for you, 100% plagiarism free, copyright free. And here is step number three, the last step, just profit your money like this. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to jump on my blog healthywealthy24.com. This is my blog. I wrote the full review about this software AI agent here. Do you prefer to read? Just click the link in my video description below. Here is, you can see full information. I put lots of information for you. I think this all information will help you to understand this software, and this all information will help you to buy this software. Is this software legit or scam? This is 100% legit software, guys. Okay, why I claim this is legit software? Because this software creator Uddhav Pramanik already launched lots of software successfully on Warrior Plus marketplace. Okay, here is a lots of info I put, guys. You can see what is AI Agent all about. AI Agent software works three simple steps. AI Agent software complete product overview. And I also put the official demo here. Here is the creator, AI Agent Uddhav Pramanik, AI Agent facers, what AI Agent can do for you, AI Agent review, my opinion, is it legit or overhyped? Okay guys, And here is, you can see agent OTOs, discount coupons and pricing options. Guys, lots of people share this software price is only $17 one time payment. This is also right, this is the front end offer, but this software have OTOs. When you purchase this front end offer, you can see the members area, this type of OTO. Here is the OTO 47 on the OTO number 1. Lots of OTOs of this software, 7 OTOs already. I'm going to show you every details, guys, so stay tuned. Also, AI Agent software will provide this bonus. This is the vendor bonus package, 6 bonus, and this is my $2,375 bonus package that I will also give you guys, and 30 days money back guarantee this software. Guys, right now I'm going to show you quick demo about this software AI Agent. Then I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs and all other information that put the vendor on the sales page. So at first, guys, let's see the demo. Okay, my beautiful friend, I hope you fully understand about this software AI Agent. Right now, I am going to show you quickly the pricing and OTOs of this software AI Agent. Here is the OTO number 1 Pro Edition, $47. What you will get, you can just pause this video and read the information, guys, okay? OTO number 2 Unlimited Edition, $67. OTO number 3 Automation Edition, $47. Just pause this video and read the information. And also you can click the link in my video description below and read the full information before purchasing this software. OT number 4, flag and flay $297. OT number 5, fast track profits $197. OT number 6, done for you upgrade $97. OT number 7, AI agent audience $97. This is the all the OTs, guys. And also they will provide, I also provide guys frequently asked questions about this software AI agent. Do you have any questions? You have no problem, all the questions answer you can see here on my blog. Here is a 100% 30 days money back guarantee. Here is, you can see guys, is there money back guarantee? Absolutely yes. They have already 30 days money back guarantee, and this is the AI agent bonus package. The 6 bonus will provided this vendor, and I will give you guys this $2,375 bonuses that you can see the members area. When you purchase this software, you can see your bonus like this, guys. Okay, access your bonuses, and your bonuses will provide, if you have any problem to receiving your bonus will provide this. You can email me guys with your receipt. I will send you all the bonuses that I claim I will give you. Okay guys, you can see AI isn't 30 days money back guarantee. This is absolutely yes. You can visit the official website, guys. I hope guys you enjoy this video, and you can share this video with your friends and family. Here is, you can see the sales page, lots of info. Also you can check out all the information before processing. You can see guys, highly rated 4.9 out of 5, rated by 3,000 entrepreneurs and marketers just like you. And this is the testimonial, real testimonial. They actually use this software, okay, and they make money like this. You can also do the same money. You can also earn money, guys. If you are a struggling marketer, if you want to really make money from online, you can also purchase this software AI agent. This is actually a good software. Business are happily paying thousands of dollars monthly on Fiverr for this services. Also you can sell your freelance services on Fiverr freelance marketplace like this. Okay my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate content, who actually struggling to making money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon. My next video.